Stepping into CHINT Wenzhou Low-Voltage Electric Appliance Factory, we are set to embark on a breathtaking journey into the future. In this digital and intelligent world, you will personally experience the perfect integration of cutting-edge technology and innovative ideas. This is the base of self-made core components, including key technologies such as stamping and welding integration, injection molding, and heat treatment. On the integrated production line of stamping and welding, from front-end stamping and welding to back-end logistics, every link has fully realized intelligent production with a daily output of 800,000 pieces. Relying on high-precision online CCD monitoring, the difference can be eliminated by observation, ensuring that every product is perfect. The whole injection line is unmanned. The automatic feeding system makes the production process extremely smooth, and the production benefit is significantly improved. The innovative spiral tower and chain plate line are integrated to realize real-time transportation of cross-floor shells and lead to efficient space utilization. CHINT Miniature Circuit Breaker Workshop has a daily production capacity of 3 million poles. Its digital workshop is the first automatic production line of miniature circuit breakers with independent intellectual property rights designed and manufactured by the enterprise in China. From robot feeding, base assembly, to multi-stage assembly, code spraying, and finished product inspection, every link integrates high-precision positioning assembly process and CCD, pressure sensors, and other detection methods to ensure high quality and traceability of products. Walking into CHINT Control Products Factory, there are 7 whole process automatic production lines for AC contractors and 4 whole process automatic coil production lines with a daily production capacity of more than 100,000 units. CHINT not only pays attention to production automation, but also integrates MES, WMS, and AGV systems in logistics and management. Real-time data analysis helps us to make accurate decisions to achieve digital management and multi-party collaborative resonance, realizing efficient production and management goals. From contact support assembly to base assembly, coil screw assembly, to complete set assembly with patented technology, cutting-edge technology has been fully applied in each step. The consistency and quality of products are of vital importance, so we have carried out strict automatic tests on vibration, parameters, withstand voltage, and appearance to ensure that each product can meet the standard and customers' requirements. In the automatic packaging process, different types of products can be mixed packed and automatically tested, improving efficiency. The digital workshop of the Relay Manufacturing Department adopts automation, lean and information tools to ensure the efficient operation of unmanned production. The CHINT Wenzhou factory, with digitization at its core, brings together advanced technology and innovation. We firmly believe that the future lies in the exploration of digitization and continuous innovation, dedicated to the high-quality development of the manufacturing industry.